Ooh, look at that. Can I eat it? No. Some of this. You just put it down. Pop at the top off. Pop. 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 Good. Wipey, 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 wipey. If I did this over again, I think I would probably go and do super glue next time, because the wood glue, even though it holds just fine, is a very, very messy way to do things. So here I tried a couple different ways to sand this thing to get it all symmetrical and round. Mostly I would file the inside and I would sand the outside by rolling it on a socket or whatever on the belt sander to get it somewhat symmetrical. In the end, I just decided to make a little wood sort of ring mandrel and do it that way, and that seemed to work a lot better. And for the edges, to kind of round them over on the outside, I held a piece of sandpaper in my hand. At first I used some water-based wipe-on varnish, but that didn't work too well, so I decided some spray lacquer would probably give a better shine and be easier to apply. So I went that way with it and put several coats on it.